Have you ever felt that pull deep inside, a call to rise above, to break free from habits that hold you back, and to become the strongest version of yourself? Imagine, just for a moment, stepping into a life where doubt and hesitation no longer control you. Where confidence isn't something you chase but something you own. In today's video, we're diving into powerful insights that can transform the way you think, act, and even the way others perceive you. Whether it's building unshakable resilience or mastering the art of subtle influence, this journey is about more than knowledge. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. Now, if at any point you find value in these ideas, please take a second to like and subscribe to the channel. Our community is on a mission to grow and share Stoic insights with more people, yet 99% of our viewers don't subscribe. So, if these lessons resonate with you, help us reach more like-minded people by sharing this video with just one friend. Let's dive in and make real change happen, starting today. Lesson 1: listen twice as much as you speak. Have you ever considered why we have 2 ears and only 1 mouth? The philosopher Epictetus saw wisdom in this design, reminding us that listening is a powerful tool for learning and growth. Listening more than you speak teaches humility, an important Stoic virtue. When you listen, you gain insight not only into others' thoughts but into the nature of your interactions and connections. Imagine that each conversation is a chance to expand your understanding of life through someone else's experiences and knowledge. In a world where everyone is eager to voice their opinions, holding back and truly listening can set you apart. It's easy to become enamored with our own voices and opinions, yet this focus on ourselves often closes us off to new ideas and perspectives. By prioritizing listening, you build empathy and deepen your relationships, traits that are essential for personal growth. Each word spoken by others is an opportunity for you to reflect on your own biases and see situations from different angles. Listening also builds respect. When people see that you genuinely value their opinions, they are more likely to open up, sharing even deeper insights with you. This, in turn, nurtures a foundation of trust and understanding, which is invaluable in both personal and professional settings. So, as Epictetus advised, focus on listening, let your silence speak of your strength, and allow others to become your teachers. Finally, cultivating silence in your mind allows room for reflection. Let every conversation become a learning experience that moves you closer to wisdom. Each interaction offers lessons that you can carry forward, enriching your life and helping you become a wiser, more grounded individual. Lesson 2: expect the worst but prepare for anything. One of the greatest causes of anxiety is the unknown future. We fear the possibility of failure, betrayal, or loss, and this dread paralyzes us. Epictetus suggests a radical approach to this fear. Imagine that the worst has already happened. By accepting the potential for setbacks, you begin to disarm the unknown, training your mind to find calm amidst chaos. This practice, known as premeditatio malorum, or the premeditation of evils, is not meant to depress you. Instead, it's about mental fortification. By visualizing hardships, you allow yourself to face life's difficulties with a clear mind and strong heart, avoiding the shock and despair that often accompanies unexpected adversity. This perspective allows you to greet challenges without being overtaken by fear. Embracing this mindset can drastically reduce your stress. You stop trying to control every outcome and learn to welcome whatever comes. This doesn't mean surrendering to fate, but instead becoming resilient, adaptable, and resourceful in the face of challenges. You are not avoiding pain, but training yourself to handle it with a stoic calm. In every situation, you learn to brace yourself, not with dread, but with strength and readiness. Practice this anticipation daily, and you'll see how it empowers you to walk through life with a steady spirit, knowing that you have the inner strength to face whatever lies ahead. Lesson 3: fail boldly to succeed profoundly. Failure often has a bad reputation, yet Epictetus understood it as a vital step toward true success. He believed that enduring failure is necessary for building character and resilience. When you fail, you uncover areas that need growth, and each mistake becomes a stepping stone to improvement. Accepting failure is like accepting a teacher who shows you what you still need to learn. Society tells us to avoid failure, to perfect our paths and avoid missteps. But this only limits our growth. Failure, in many ways, is a form of feedback, a signal showing us what to adjust and improve. As we learn from failure, we grow more refined, more experienced, and closer to our own potential. Embrace each setback, not as a defeat, but as a necessary part of progress. In this way, failure humbles us, reminding us of our human limitations while pushing us to overcome them. It teaches patience and the value of perseverance. A single success often requires many failures, and each failure you face is a testament to your courage to keep going. Remember that the Stoic path is not about perfection, but about constant, unyielding effort. As you pursue growth, accept that stumbles are inevitable. Use them to your advantage. Each time you fall and rise again, you are training your mind and spirit to handle adversity with strength and poise. In time, failure will become your teacher, guiding you closer to excellence. Lesson 4: beware the allure of fortune. Wealth and success are tempting, yet Epictetus warned of the dangers they carry. Money and power can change us, often not for the better. They can lead us to pride, dependency, or even to harm others for our benefit. By becoming aware of the risks, you can enjoy fortune without letting it consume or corrupt you. Many people believe that wealth will solve all their problems, but the truth is often the opposite. Once we attain success, we encounter new challenges, false friends, heightened expectations, and the inner struggle to remain grounded. Wealth may provide comfort, but it also tests our character. The Stoic path is to keep wealth at arm's length, using it wisely but never letting it dominate our thoughts or values. Fortune can lead to a kind of intoxication, clouding your judgment and priorities. To remain a person of integrity, you must see wealth for what it is: a tool, not a goal. By valuing inner riches, like character and wisdom, you guard yourself against the temptations that wealth can bring. This helps you stay true to your values, no matter the resources at your disposal. Ultimately, true wealth lies not in material possessions, but in the strength of character. When you understand this, you free yourself from the trap of endless desire and enjoy a sense of peace that money cannot buy. To remain mindful of wealth's influence, and you will stand firm, rooted in your principles, no matter what fortune brings. Lesson 5: embrace discomfort to cultivate strength. In a society that prizes comfort, Stoicism challenges us to voluntarily embrace discomfort to build inner resilience. Marcus Aurelius would take on physical and mental challenges as part of his daily routine. This practice helped him strengthen his mind against life's inevitable difficulties. Imagine taking cold showers, waking up early, or limiting unnecessary luxuries. By choosing discomfort, you train yourself to endure hardship with composure and adaptability. Voluntary discomfort prepares you for unplanned challenges. For example, athletes often push through intense training, not only to improve performance, but to condition themselves to handle stress under pressure. Similarly, when you engage in small acts of discomfort, you're creating a buffer against unexpected adversity. The mind learns to handle discomfort without reacting impulsively, giving you a powerful advantage when faced with genuine hardship. This principle applies beyond physical endurance. Mental challenges, such as tackling difficult tasks or facing fears, also build resilience. Consider someone who regularly engages in public speaking to overcome their fear of judgment. By embracing this discomfort, they develop confidence that spills over into other areas of life. Each instance of facing discomfort becomes a small victory, enhancing both courage and discipline. By training yourself to see discomfort as an opportunity, you turn hardships into growth moments. You can learn to welcome adversity instead of fearing it. In the end, life will present countless challenges. The Stoic who has practiced resilience will face these with calm, strength, and a readiness for whatever may come. Lesson 6: focus on what you can control. One of the fundamental teachings of Stoicism is the distinction between what you can control and what you cannot. Epictetus taught that trying to control the uncontrollable leads to unnecessary frustration. Imagine being stuck in traffic. You can't control the congestion, but you can control your reaction. By focusing on what you can change your attitude, your patience, perhaps listening to an audiobook, you maintain inner peace. This principle helps to reduce anxiety and stress by allowing you to channel energy into productive areas. For instance, in a workplace where you may not control decisions made by management, focusing on your own work and attitude can make a significant difference in how you experience your job. Instead of fixating on others' choices, direct your attention to excelling in your role, becoming a model of composure and responsibility. In relationships, this mindset can prevent unnecessary conflicts. For example, rather than attempting to change someone else's behavior, focus on setting healthy boundaries and communicating effectively. You can't control others' actions, but you can influence the way you respond, preserving your peace and dignity. This approach fosters healthier relationships and a clearer understanding of your own values. Adopting this principle empowers you to walk through life with confidence and calm. By accepting the uncontrollable and focusing on your own actions, you cultivate a grounded perspective. Life will throw many challenges your way, but knowing that you control your response is a stoic strength that few possess. Lesson 7. Cultivate a grateful mindset. Gratitude is often underestimated, but the Stoics saw it as a powerful practice. Marcus Aurelius, in his meditations, frequently reflected on his blessings to maintain perspective. Take a moment each day to recognize and appreciate the small things you often overlook: a meal, a friend, a comfortable bed. Practicing gratitude grounds you and shifts your focus from what you lack to what you already possess. This practice serves as an antidote to envy and dissatisfaction. For instance, imagine someone who constantly desires a more luxurious lifestyle. By intentionally focusing on the value of what they already have, they can transform envy into appreciation. The result is a sense of contentment that isn't reliant on external conditions but rooted in a balanced mind. Gratitude replaces longing with fulfillment. Gratitude also helps us to value relationships and moments we might take for granted. Consider expressing appreciation to a friend or family member for their support. This act deepens connections and reminds you of the people who enrich your life. In the end, it's often these relationships, rather than material gains, that provide a lasting sense of happiness and peace. The Stoic practice of gratitude is not just about feeling good, it's a deliberate choice to live mindfully and to cherish the present. By embracing gratitude, you cultivate a life that is fulfilling regardless of external circumstances. This inner richness builds a resilient mindset, reminding you that true contentment lies within. Lesson 8. Practice humility in success. One of Stoicism's essential teachings is the importance of remaining humble, even in success. Seneca advised against letting achievements inflate one's ego, as arrogance often blinds us to our weaknesses. Imagine a person who reaches a peak in their career. They may be tempted to see themselves as superior to others. However, true wisdom lies in recognizing that success is fleeting and that everyone has room to grow. Humility in success allows you to maintain a balanced perspective. For instance, think of a star athlete who, despite their fame, continues to train hard and respects their coaches and teammates. This humility keeps them grounded and ensures continuous improvement. The Stoic approach is to view achievements as temporary and to keep striving for self-betterment rather than getting trapped in self-congratulation. Furthermore, humility makes you more relatable and respected by others. When leaders remain humble, they invite collaboration and inspire loyalty. Imagine a successful business person who treats all employees with respect, regardless of their position. This approach not only strengthens relationships, but also builds a positive environment where everyone feels valued and motivated. In the end, humility is a shield against the pitfalls of pride and complacency. By staying grounded, you protect yourself from the fluctuations of fortune and keep focused on inner growth. Humility allows you to learn from both your successes and failures, helping you navigate life with wisdom and grace. In the journey to master these Stoic principles, remember that real strength comes from within. Life is unpredictable, filled with challenges and triumphs alike, but by listening deeply, facing discomfort, preparing for the unexpected, and embracing humility, you gain control over your inner world. True wisdom lies not in avoiding hardship, but in meeting it with resilience and a calm spirit. So as you go forward, let these teachings guide you toward a life of purpose, clarity, and unwavering peace, one that others will admire and you yourself will respect.